To cast your phone screen to your TV on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first we need to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to enter the more connectivity options right here. When you're inside, look for a cast option. Select it and then activate a cast right here. Now there's a few things that I should mention. First of all, you need to turn off hotspot, otherwise this option won't work at all. So make sure that your hotspot is turned off. Next thing is to make sure that your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same network. Even if there's a same network but with 5G, they need to be connected to 5G or both, or to the 2.4G both. When both of the devices are connected to the same network, then you should see your TV on the screen right here. You can click on it and then confirm the prompt on your TV that will show up. And after that, you should see your phone screen on your TV. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.